In this video, we will see how to install DNS Manager tool in server machine. We will set up the forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone for our domain. After that, we will query our server by using ping and nslookup command line tool to check whether our query is being resolved by a server or not. So let's get started with the demo. This is my server machine and I already installed the DNS Manager tool. You can see it over here with forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. For the demo purpose, I will quickly guide you how to install the DNS Manager tool from Server Manager. For that, you need to click on Add Roles and Feature in Server Manager and then select role based or feature based installation. Click on Next. Select Server from Server Pool and in server roles you will see the DNS server. I already installed that is why it is graded out for me, but you need to select the DNS server and then click on Next. For DNS Manager tool, there is no need to select any feature, so you can click on Next and then click on Install. After installation, it will ask you to reboot your machine. Once you reboot it, the DNS server manager will be installed and you can get it through your tools section. You need to click on tools and then click on DNS. By this way you can see your DNS manager tool. So now we will set up the forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone for our domain. So for that you need to go on a DNS manager, right click on forward lookup zone, hit on new zone, click on next. Here you need to select the type of zone according to your scenario. For my scenario, I will select primary zone and click on next. I will give my domain name over here, which is pkstestmaillab.com and click on next. Select create a new file with this file name. Select next. You need to choose dynamic update as well according to your scenario. I will choose do not allow dynamic update. Click on next. It will give you the review of your new zone. If you want to edit anything, you have an option to click on back and edit it accordingly. I already have this zone, so I will click on cancel and show you my zone. This is my zone and you can see it over here. It is created with the host file. Now we will repeat the same step for the reverse lookup zone. Click on reverse lookup zone, right click, hit on new zone, click on next. Select the zone type. I will select primary zone, click on next. Select IPv4, click on next. Here I will give my IP address 192.168.10 and remember one thing, it will only allow you to edit up till 3 octets because the fourth one is graded out. After that you need to click on next. Select create a new file with this file name. Click next again. select dynamic update. I will choose do not allow dynamic update for this particular time and then hit on next. Again it will give the review of your new zone domain, and I already have the reverse lookup zone, so I will click on cancel and show you my reverse lookup zone. So this is how it's look like, and this is the host file for my reverse lookup zone. We'll create the host records for forward lookup zone. For that you need to click on forward lookup zone, right click on your forward lookup zone, click on new host, a record. Because I don't want to create any subdomain, I want that my query should be resolved for my parent domain. So I will only add my IP address over here for my domain, which is pkstestmaillab.com. I will click on create associate pointer record and click this add record option. So this will give me a wizard stating that the host record pkstestmaillab.com was successfully created. And if I will click it over here, you can see that my IP address for my domain with a record is attached in my forward lookup zone. Because I already created the reverse lookup zone, it will automatically update the host file in my reverse lookup zone as well. That is why I created forward lookup zone and a reverse lookup zone in same time. So if I will refresh it, you will see that my reverse lookup zone with host record is there, right, which is stating with my domain name. So that's why I created forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone at same time. Else I need to create the reverse lookup zone and add the host record with pointer manually. Once our A host record is being updated in the forward lookup zone, now we will query using command line nslookup tool to check whether our query is being resolved for our server or not. For that we need to open the command prompt and first we will check that our server is pinging or not. And you can see that our server for this IP address is pinging correctly, and this IP address is for our domain, right? Now if I will ping the domain name testmaillab.com, you can see it, right? This is also pinging correctly. My domain name is also pinging correctly. Now we will query for NSLOOKUP 192.168.10.11. You see, NSLOOKUP is querying to our server correctly with the IP address, and if I will NSLOOKUP with my domain name pkstestmaillab.com, it will also resolve my domain name query as well. So thank you guys for watching this. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.